Good morning, everybody. I have my morning voice. I'm still not quite awake right now. But this is a vlog of things that we're doing while Mom is not here. She's here. She's just in her room. And my dog is whining because we're going outside and I'm taking too long. So, lately, since she has been here at the house, I've been going out early on walks with Grace. Just because I'm up now. Say hi, Grace. Say hello. She's not feeling it right now. She's ready to go. So, it's 7:20 right now. We go pretty much on about a 30-minute walk in the mornings, and then I come and do breakfast for me and Mom. Jackson normally likes to make his own breakfast unless I'm feeling in the mood to cook us all breakfast. So we're gonna leave it right now. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the vlog. This is our grocery haul. It's a very lovely grocery haul. It's a surprise grocery haul. We had there were some lovely people who decided to get us some things. So we're gonna show you what we got. Starting over here, we got 2 packages of the sliced mushrooms. And then we have the Bolt House Farm carrots, baby cut carrots. And then we got Green Giant, the romaine lettuce. Over here in this bag, we have 2 purple onions, 2 about medium-sized purple onions. Right here, we have 2 heads of broccoli. And then we have a package of bananas right here. And then we have Gala apples, package of Gala apples. And then we have 3 large red peppers. Then we've got fresh from the farm, grape tomatoes, package of those. Then we got a vegetable medley. We got a package of green beans. Behind those, we've got 3 cucumbers, very large cucumbers. We've got some oranges here. And last but not least, we got Green Giant celery. So this is our grocery haul. And we are very thankful for who sent this to us. I'm making us breakfast now. Just getting our spinach all cooked up there in the pan. And now I'm gonna add in the chopped up sausages that I made a little earlier. And we also have some potatoes left over. For breakfast, I'm really just trying to combine a couple things together. Make one big giant like pan meal. And I'll show you what it looks like when we get the eggs in there. So guys, this is our breakfast. It's an egg scramble. So we've got about 8 eggs in there. And we've got some sweet potatoes and some regular potatoes that I already cooked. That Mom already cooked yesterday. And so I just put all that in there, and we got some spinach and some sausage links that I cut up. So that's what we're gonna have for breakfast. And excuse the bowls, but I normally have a smoothie now in the mornings. So I have some bananas here, and I'm gonna use some blueberries, raspberries, and some of this almond breeze milk. Is the smoothie. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to start making us lunch. I did a little bit of school. I still have some math left. So I am gonna be cooking this chicken soup that Mom made. She showed you guys in one of her vlogs. And we really need to eat it up now. So I'm gonna find a pot. I think we're gonna do this one right here. Yeah. And then to go with it, because we always need something to go with it. I didn't really know what to do with soup, but I wanted to be able to utilize everything we still had. So I have some green beans here that I cooked, but I'm just gonna make a couple more. Just gonna throw some more together. And I was gonna tell you guys about what the plans are for today. You know, I really have been feeling like a lot hasn't really been getting done since Mom has not been feeling the best. And normally she's the motivator, you know. She's ready to get stuff done and we're here for her. But, you know, if it's just us, it doesn't really feel like it. So, it's been, I don't know, almost a week now. But I'm really feeling like some things could be getting done now. Like some additional things. We still do like our chores, like the clothes and dishes, you know, that kind of stuff. Keep the kitchen clean, the living room clean, that stuff. And so that's what I've been thinking about lately. Just trying to get all these things done. And I thought of a couple of projects that I could probably do once I have some time. It'll probably be after when I finish school, because then I don't have to think about that, because school is a whole different subject. You see what I'm saying here? But you know, we just want to do our best to be able to help out. And she can't really do much, and we can. We're old enough to be able to do things. And if you already know how to do something, then, you know, it's best to go ahead and put that to use, especially when it needs to be done. So I'm just taking some ghee and I'm putting it in a pan so we can cook the green beans. But I was looking underneath underneath the sink in the bathroom and realized that that was a project that we were going to do some months ago. It didn't happen. So thinking maybe our project today could be clean under the bathroom, and then tomorrow, I don't know, I'll find something for tomorrow. But I thought that'd be a great idea. So I'm just cooking up some lunch for me right now. Mom's gonna go to sleep, and I don't think Jackson would want this, so it's really just me eating, I guess. But I normally don't like to cook. That's just how I am. That's my thing. That's how I feel. But cooking is not my thing. Mom likes to cook. Jackson likes to bake, and I like to eat. So it all works. It's like the circle of the kitchen. It all just works. Or the circle of food, or whatever you want to call it. And so, lately, anytime Mom is kind of away or something, like if she's away on a business trip or anything, or she's just not really like here to be with us, I do tend to get, hold on a sec. I do tend to get a little, I don't know what the word is, proactive, maybe? I'll have to look that up for later. But it makes me want to be able to, it makes me want to do stuff. Like, I want to do things when she's gone. I don't want to do anything when she's here. But when she's gone, I feel like, oh, we need to clean this, or we need to scrub that, or, you know, whatever I'm feeling like. And it mostly happens when she's, like, not here. So I put on a load of laundry already, and it's in the dryer. I gotta turn it back on again. I have to put a couple clothes up today that are in the basket because I already folded them. They just aren't up yet. And clean the bathroom, because that sounded like a good thing that we could do today. Another mom. And because we can clean our own bathroom. I mean, I'm 17, Jackson's 12. We're not little kids, so we can do things, you know, without mom's help. And I think it would be helpful to her if we do get some things done. That way she doesn't come back, well, when she's feeling better, she doesn't come to such a messy house. Not that I'm saying the house is messy, just it will be more messy. It'll be up to her standards. That's what I always like to live by. What are her standards when it comes to how the house looks? Because it's her house, she pays the mortgage, and she likes it the way she likes it. And so that's what I mostly think about whenever I'm cleaning the house. How would mom like it? She is teaching us how to take care of a house, how to do household chores and all that stuff. Because one day we will move out. And we need to be able to take care of our own living space. And if you want people to come over, you have to have a clean house. I'm a very social person, so I like people coming over. So I always want to make sure that I have a clean house. But, you know, I just want to try to be able to do the best I can for mom while she's on the mend. She's always done so much for us. Why can't we do something for her? How every kid should feel, really. If their mom, you know, is a really good mom, does things for you. You know, you can't just celebrate them one time a year on Mother's Day. You know, mothers deserve multiple praises throughout the year. I most times tell mom that I love her. Almost every day, I think, actually. But it's true. Like, I don't want to get anything out of it. You know, some people will be like, you tell your mom, I love you, and all that stuff, and then they're like, oh, what do you want? I don't want anything. Okay? I have a job. I have a mom who takes care of me. I have friends who love me and want to go hang out with me. So, I mean, what else could I want? I can get my own things. She takes me wherever I need to go, and my friends will take me wherever I want to go. I have Grace. She's amazing. I mean, you know, you have to be very thankful in these kinds of things. And it looks like my food is pretty much done. I'm just going to let the green beans sit a little while the soup continues to cook. Alright everybody, so we have done everything that needs to be done for today. We're just finishing up dinner right now. That's what you hear in the background. So over here we have pigtails. I'm not sure if they're upside down or right side up. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put any barbecue sauce on them, but they are done. And they look pretty good, even though I'm not going to eat them. Over here we have just some ground up beef and leftover cabbage soup we had. All the water's gone because it evaporated, so
looks more like just greens. But we're having that over as well. And Alon is currently working on the deviled eggs. As you can see, she chopped them all up. I put all the, well, whatever's in the middle in the bowl, the yolk. And she's gonna put all of these ingredients inside of them. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Well, as many thumbs as you can. And I hope you guys will hit that bell so that you never miss an upload. Also hit the subscribe so that you can be a part of our YouTube family. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now. Well, as much as I can wave with this one hand.